Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a really quick and easy lunch recipe. Now it is the beginning of January, and like so many others, I had decided to make my New Year's resolution about getting healthier. Now what all that entails, I don't know. I'm just trying day to day. But yeah, so today I decided for lunch I'm gonna eat pasta, of course. Well, when I say pasta, I mean ramen. I don't think it's the worst decision I could make. There's definitely something worse out there. But yeah, I have a craving for ramen right now, so that is what we're gonna be making today. Alright, first things first, I have got this thin cut chuck steak, and I'm going to get a slice of this out. I'm going to use the rest of this for dinner tonight, but I want to include a little bit in the ramen, so I think that'll be really good. So I'm just going to cut this into smaller, more bite-sized pieces. Or kind of strips, I guess you would say. And I've got my pan over here preheating. It's on medium temperature. All right, I'm going to season this just lightly, just a little salt and pepper, keep it simple. My flavors are gonna be coming in with other ingredients. Put a little bit of oil in our pan. We're going to start searing our steak. Now while that's searing, I've got about 6 cups of water in my pot back here. This is on medium heat. And we're going to go ahead and add our beef base. Hello, there we go. Better than bouillon. I like this stuff so much. So yummy. And with this base, it's roughly a teaspoon per cup of water, but you can make it however you like. I think I'm probably gonna do 4 or 5 and then kind of see how I feel about it. Look how pretty. And I'm going to get a bowl to set this into the side. And I'm going to leave it just a touch pink because it's going to cook more once it's in the ramen. Just get that nice sear on the outside. Alright, now I'm going to take my mushrooms and slice a few of these up. Normally I get the pre-sliced ones, but they were out of them. So a little extra work, but not that big of a deal. So I'm going to go ahead and slice these up. Alright, now we're going to be using that same skillet that we just cooked our beef in, and we're going to move you in a little closer here. We're going to turn it onto low to medium heat. I don't want it too hot. I'm going to put just a touch of oil. Not much. And then we're going to use some garlic and some ginger, if I can get that. There you go. Ginger squeeze stuff because I am lazy and I really hate cutting garlic. Chopping garlic is such a pain. Alright. Stir that around in my pan just a bit. And we're going to add our mushrooms in. Alright, now to this I'm going to add just say a little bit of soy sauce. I'm using the reduced sodium kind, but you can use whatever. Like that. This smells so good already. Alright, and then just because I have it on hand, I have these two Panda Express sauces, orange and Mandarin Teriyaki. And as you can see, maybe you can see something other than my arm. I am almost out of both. So I'm just going to use this little bitty bit that I've got left of both these sauces. Toss it in there, just why not? Yeah, that's literally all I had left. We were hanging on to just the last little bit. Now we're just gonna stir that around, and we're gonna add some spinach. Some regular old bag spinach. I don't understand why this doesn't come in a Ziploc bag. Makes no sense. This spinach is going to wilt down a lot, so you can add a lot and it's going to turn into like literally nothing. So I'm going to add 3 good handfuls there. I'm going to turn my heat up just a little bit. So now we're on medium, and we're going to allow this to wilt down and cook those mushrooms just a little bit more. And all the while, my stock back here, my beef broth, whatever you want to call it, my beef base, is warming up. Now, you can buy ramen noodles in like the international section, and they come plain packs of ramen, but today I'm just using the plain old top ramen, and I'm just not going to use the seasoning packet. I just want the noodles. I'm going to use 2 packs. And I'm going to turn this back eye up just a little bit and get it boiling, and then we will add our ramen noodles into the water. Alright, now my mushroom and spinach mixture is ready to take off the heat. My spinach has wilted down to like nothing, like I told you. And we're just going to set it to the side until we're ready to add it to the noodles. We're going to wait on this water to finish heating up. Alright, now we're going to add our ramen. We're going to go ahead and add our vegetable mix. I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes. Let that cook. And then we're going to add our egg. I'm going to go ahead and add my beef back to the mix. Alright, and then we're going to crack an egg in it. This is optional. I just got that on the side of my pan. You guys see that? Oh, that's a mess. And I'm not going to stir this. I'm gonna let that egg cook just as it is. All right, now our ramen just came off, so I'm carefully going to grab some of the ramen noodles. Build us a bowl here. I'm just avoiding that egg. I'm gonna get me some vegetables and some beef. I'm going to scoop some of the soup. Alright, there you have it. This is the finished ramen. You can see I've got the egg in there. You can leave that out completely if you don't like it, or you can hard boil. This is kind of a poached egg situation. Either way, this looks so good, and I wish that you guys could smell how amazing this smells. If you guys try this recipe, you're gonna have to let me know down below what you may have added to yours a little differently.